of doubt, none of our officers, including the clerk and the director of finance, whom you can see here with me, have been arrested. None so far is undergoing any criminal proceeding in regard to the alleged embezzlement.
You don't require 100 policemen to come here. You are doing a search. You only need to come and walk into the office and identify yourself an officer from Eacc, and you take the documents you want. After all, they have been getting these documents without any force. We have Office of the Control of Budget that monitors the implementation of the budget of the governments and the assemblies. We have the Office of the Auditor General that always audits books of accounts at the end of the financial year. These two independent offices have failed to identify this looting, but Eacc can identify the looting. We know officers who are behind this. Now we know those people who are telling us not to vote for Mlele, they are now fighting to bring this assembly down. And we will tell them in their face that you spare our assembly. Because we have, this is a third assembly. Mlele has been here merely for 1 year. Now you publishing that there is massive looting, embezzlement, something that cannot be substantiated. Something that cannot be substantiated is tarnishing the assembly name. Even they are roping in the governor. Maybe they don't want assembly to have a working relationship with the governor. At any given point, this assembly is open for investigation.
Thutha wa gavana wa